How to reset or recover forgotten messenger password. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel The Solution Guy. So in today's guide video, I'll simply guide you on how you can reset or recover your forgotten messenger account's password. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now you don't recover the password of messenger. Messenger comes from Facebook. So if you forgot the password to your messenger account, it most likely means you forgot the password for your Facebook account. Because when you open up messenger, you can actually log in if you're logged into Facebook, right? So what we're going to do right now is not open messenger, but we're going to open Facebook. And then once we open up Facebook, what we want to do is we want to reset our password. So we'll just tap on the option called forgotten password here, and then it will ask us to enter our phone number. So you can actually go ahead and enter your phone number, but also you can choose to enter and search by your email address. So just tap on search by email address, and then I'll go ahead and then make sure to enter my email address in this case. Once I enter the email address of my Facebook account, I'll just tap on the find your account button, and now it says to log in or try another way. So I'll just tap on try another way. I'll say send code via email, and then you can also choose to log in with messenger, but I'll select send code via email, and then just tap on continue button. Now after that, I'll just go ahead and check my mail, because you can see it will check a mail and send it to my email. I'll go ahead and then open up my email and then log into that specific Hotmail account over here, and then maybe I'll go to the all inboxes tab, and then once I come to all inboxes, refresh it a couple of times until you receive the email from Facebook. Now once you send a code to your Hotmail account, and then you'll be able to receive the code, and then after you enter the code, it will take you to a page where you can simply enter the new password that you want to use. And then once you enter the new password that you want to use, you can simply actually go ahead and then log into Facebook, and as a result you'll also be automatically logged into your messenger. And this is how you can actually recover your forgotten messenger account's password. But keep in mind that you don't actually go ahead and then reset your messenger account password, you reset your Facebook account's password. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.